We'll be taking a look at the Ailun glass protector for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and this has 9H hardness, an oleophobic coating, maximum luminous, delicate touch, real glass, and an adhesive layer. Easy to open. I don't know. I don't see tearing it off piece by piece is easy to open. And apparently on the inside, it's like a magic hat. All these things just keep falling out. What else is in here? Maybe they should have made this easier to get the things out. First of all, we have the alcohol prep pads, the parts that cover the camera, the dust absorber. We have the sticker guide, then some paperwork, styrofoam type pockets, and we have the glass. Then there's more paperwork. Having sensitivity problems with your phone? Get help. Here we have the instructions. First rule is to wet and remove any dirt from the screen. Remember, just do it in tiny circles. Rule 2, ensure that all the dust and liquid has been removed with the dry towel. It says rule number 3, use the sticky side to eliminate any amount of debris on the screen. We're going to keep our fingers above the line. It says to remove the bottom protective layer by pulling at the tab. Alright, I think I got it aligned. As I press down on it, because I can see some of the bubbles going away. Has a little bit of a bubble, but it says to slide a finger across to get it to automatic stick. I threw some rules out the window. It's not so bad. Not too bad on that part. Clean the glass. The rules pretty much have given up on this part. It's like, okay, you got the main one. You're on your own. You gotta carefully take it off. Carefully align it. It went on smooth. Got it on the first drop. Gonna have to redo the fingerprints just in case. Go to settings. Now we have the display and the touch sensitivity, and I turn that on. It's security and privacy, biometrics, fingerprints. The fingerprints, we're going to add my left one here. We're done. And this has been the Ailun glass screen protector. So did this Ailun glass protector work with my OtterBox Commuter Series screen protector for the Galaxy S24 Plus? And the answer is yes. It's a little hard to see though. It's like it's just hugging it, but it fits.